There we go. Yes, we're gonna dig up some Gladiolus. Get these put in storage. I like this big fork. It gets underneath there. Allows you to pry stuff up. Look at that. Look at all those little baby corms. Can you see those baby corms on there? Oh, that's not running. Let's go over this one. Look at all these baby corms on here on the side. Those will grow into new ones. We would have left them in the ground and had better weather, where lived in an area where it doesn't freeze. Those would all divide out, but we're just gonna cut these off here and let them dry out. Put them in the greenhouse in some sawdust. Here we have a Gladiolus corm, C-O-R-M, corm. This piece right here, it's so close I can't see. This piece right here is the old corm, and this is the new one that the flower came off of. Grew right out of the old one that you planted. These little guys on the side, these guys are baby corms. They will grow into a new corm. It just takes sometimes a couple of years before flower comes out. They will grow. You can detach them. They come off very easily. And that little guy right there, you can plant them up individually. I planted a few last year, and they did grow. They did grow, but we're just going to dry these out and store them in the greenhouse over the winter. Keep them from getting too soggy, too moist, and possibly freezing. But you can see that old corn, and the new one came out of the top of it. So yeah, we're just gonna lay these in our, get rid of that main base there. We're gonna lay these in our tray, spread them out as much as possible. Get some more sawdust. I have quite a bit of sawdust. Break that off the main one. These are just going to sit just like this. We're not really going to cover them up too much. That's a weed, piece of grass. We're just going to leave them out in the open, and we will put them in a dark spot. We'll cover them up a little bit, but we want these things to be dry out like a tulip. That's it. Those will just sit all winter long. Make sure I don't have any more. I got one more. Oh, this one can just sit in here. I already did that one. Okay, there you go. Happy storage.